Hello, this is Mark with Control Engineering Magazine. I'm here today with
Mark Densley, Director of Business Development for Emerson Discrete Automation.
And Mark, you're going to show us a little bit about sustainability.
Sustainability is becoming more and more important for our customers, whether that be OEMs trying to produce a more energy efficient machine, or our end users which are trying to lower their footprint in the environment. And we've developed a series of tools using our controls and software platform, our intelligent sensors that we have in our product ranges to enable our customers to understand the energy consumption and the other consumables that they may be using in their process.
And what is the demo show here?
So this demo is showing us how we can connect to multiple sensors, whether that be over multiple networks. Our systems are capable of connecting to multiple different protocols. Some examples here, MQTT, OPC-UA. But the system is very open, flexible. We can connect to existing sensors, existing PLCs, and allow our customers to gather that data that may be trapped today in those different pieces of equipment. On the left here, we have our panel where you can see we've got some Emerson products such as solar HD power supplies. We've got a edge device which is collecting that data. We've got some I/O product in there as well. But we're collecting data all from different parts of the equipment and being able to take that data to build dashboards, insights about our equipment, about our facility, and provide up-to-date real-time information.
And what kind of information are we showing on the screen here?
So in this example, we're showing the air consumption, the steam that's being used, hot water, cold water. So this could be used in something like a CIP skid, for instance, where we're conscious about the waste of compressed air, steam, the chemicals that we're using in that process. Everything's charted and can be looked at on a dashboard here. And also we can set alerts to say when things are going out of tolerance or out of that range, which may lead to identifying leaks, which is obviously not utilizing that media correctly.
So when people are looking at sustainability, there's a lot of different things they can measure. How can you help them with the various metrics?
So compressed air is a major one we can help with. So we have different dashboards for that using our AF2 smart airflow meter. But that is basically understanding the amount of compressed air that's being used on our piece of equipment. Air is not free. The energy that's used to create compressed air could be sometimes quite considerable. It's about 30% of the energy that's being used in a typical facility. And of that 30%, what we tend to find is 30% of it leaks. So that is just leaking to atmosphere, not being utilized in the actual making of the product. The other thing that this tool allows us to do is really understand the process, understand if maybe when that machine is at idle, to understand is that machine not wasting any more air and are we utilizing that compressed air when we need to make our products. So when that machine's making revenue, we're having a nice tight air system, but when it's also at rest or at idle, that it's not wasting compressed air. Look like things like vacuum cups being turned on, or blow-offs still active, things like that.
What's the name of the software package that's tracking all the information?
So the software is based on our Pack Edge software, and it's housed within the IPC or the edge device, which is in this panel. Pack Edge includes software such as Grafana, Node-RED, InfluxDB, and allows you to create dashboards like the one you see on the screen. We have an engineering services team that can work with customers to create dashboards for their own needs if there's different medias we need to measure. But the actual software is very easy to change, very easy to create dashboards very quickly.
And it looks like it would be applicable across industries.
Absolutely. We use this not only in the packaging industry, but it could be used in any heavy manufacturing location. We use the same software in our own manufacturing where we're creating or producing pneumatic components or pneumatic valves. So it really does lend itself to all different industries.
And certainly results would vary, but what kind of metrics do you see when people start measuring in diligence?
So we tend to always start off with a pilot with our customers. For compressed air, for instance, typically once we've done that pilot, we're looking at the return on investment. And what we tend to find is that payback period is less than 1 year. It's giving us a 20% reduction in the amount of energy or compressed air that's being wasted. And then typically from there, we scale with the customer. So all of our solutions are scalable. We can start with one piece of equipment, one line, and then scale that globally if they want to, or across their different facilities.
Anything else to add, Mark?
Yeah, one unique thing that we also do is we are pretty agnostic sending that data. So we can create dashboards locally for help with troubleshooting to find out where those leaks are. But also we can send that data and make it available to the enterprise level within a business, to any cloud historian. We can connect to multiple different historians. So it's very open in nature.
So the data is not stranded.
The data is not stranded. It's all about getting it out the shop floor and putting it where you want in real time.
Very good. Thanks very much, Mark.
Thank you.